Ridley. Yes, I call him Jimmy. Kuya Tot, di ba may kapatid ka pa, Kuya Tot? You still have one brother, is Chocho, Kuya Tot. Chocho's name. Yan, Lola Tot, dan full watch na ako. Thumbs love dikit, Lola Tot. Dikit ko na sa'yo to, Lola. May bago ako dito. Chochos is my baby. Tot. Tignan ko yan, Lola. Para di ka mahirapan. May bago ako dito. I had an older brother named Johnny, but his wife shot him in the chest and killed him 6 months ago. Wow. Where is your brother now? He's in the jail. How about the kids? Naku, Lola to, tapos gusto niya pupunta pa ako doon. Baka Johnny is in heaven. Oh. No, she's but his wife shot him. Yung asawa niya pala bumaril. Ano ba yan? Hindi pala, mali pala ako nang intindi. Yung asawa pala ang bumaril. In the US, I watch many like this crime. Own husband or own wife. Jimmy is in Arkansas. Lola Tutang, konti pa naman ang ano mo dito sa isa mo. 19 subscriber ka pa lang. Never been there, Jerry. Arkansas. Is it too far there, Kuya James Tot? Arkansas. The US is a biggest place. Lagyan you. Let's play. Nandito ako Lola kay Let's Play. Nagpe-play ako kay ano. Kay Let's Play. Sweet and spicy, I subscribe. Thank you, Jerry. What happened here? Thank you, Jerry. What time now in US? Ma'am Irene's already go to sleep. US ba si Ma'am Irene's? Canada.